So I had a really compelling case. I was working with a young man with depression, and we got probably as far as we could go with talk therapy, looking at the roots of the depression, the childhood experiences that may have contributed to his mental health or unwellness. And it really transformed when I introduced the energetic component or pranic healing, because with depression, there's almost always an energetic part where the body is depleted of vital energy. And I was able to empower him not just through pranic healing, but through breathing techniques of meditation that helped to build the pranic or energy reserves of the body, which were incredibly transformational in helping him experience more emotional and mental wellness and happiness.